Good afternoon, students. Very good afternoon to all of you. As I have come across with this grammar section with all of you, and you all are gaining some momentum, I believe, with all such information and application. So today we have to see about time and tense chapter, and we have to see the application and structure of present perfect, and accordingly we have to see how it applies with our daily lives. So here I have given some structure here: subject plus has or have plus B3 plus object. Sentences are just you give your attention here. They or boys have watched the movie. Affirmative sentence in assertive mode. Then boys have not watched the movie. Negative in assertive. Then have boys watched the movie. Interrogative by auxiliary verb, since it is an auxiliary coming before the subject verb. Then interrogative by WH, by putting up WH words, how, why, how, where, when, like that. We get one more structure: how boys have watched the movie. Interrogative, by putting not with all these two, we get two extra structure of interrogative, that is have boys not watched the movie, or why have boys not watched the movie. Like these all six structure will rotate in each sense. Now these applications are coming up for you all to understand. So application of present perfect says that it is used for completed activities in the recent past with just. Like he has just gone out, like the activity is over. The clock has just struck 10. So clock struck the 10. So we can see that the nature of present perfect is very similar with the nature of simple past, though we do not have the effect we in simple past, while in present perfect we carry the effect of the actions. So here the other application is showing present perfect shows actions whose time is not given or definite. So have you read Gulliver's Travel, or have you been to Paris or London, like that? Then third application is present perfect shows actions which started sometime back in the past and is continuing up to present moment with for and since phrases. So for and since phrases we apply in present perfect continuous, but here we have to see the difference of the structure of sentences, as here it shows the right time of living, as the instance is coming up. I have lived here for 10 years. So still the person is living there, and for 10 years he has been continuing to live there. So that activity is continuing up to present moment. Like that, he has been ill since last week. So since always comes with definite time sequence. So like that, you need to, some more applications will be coming up later next year. You need to copy it well and understand it also in order to tell someone. Okay, bye. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, fine. See you. Have your good health and sound health. Okay, bye.